Hello, my friend. Do you know Jinjiang, the sports show city in China? I have been in Jinjiang for over 20 years. This is my insole factory, Kanyu Shoes Material, located next to Jinjiang International Airport. We have 300 new styles in our showroom. Each season, we update more than 100 new styles.We always trust more and good new styles can help you get more good orders. I'm Emily. I make insole shoes material industry more than 20 years. Welcome you visit us in Jinjiang.
女士们、先生们，晚上好！我们的飞机预计将于30分钟后抵达泉州晋江国际机场。